Hey guys, it's Adam from AutoCraze. AutoCraze is down at Bondi today with the one and only Harries Carroll.
Hey guys, how are you going? Very special day down here at Bondi. We're going to be meeting the Royals, we're going to be meeting Prince Harry and Meghan Markle, so it's a big day at Bondi. I'm truly humbled to represent the community, Waverley Council and the Lifeguard Service, of course, to go down and meet him. He watches Bondi Rescue, and it's quite amazing that we have that connection around the world.
Now, as you probably saw from the previous videos, we've done a big build on his car. Now, Harry, how do you feel about the whole thing? How do you like it? How's the functionality?
The car has completely changed. The dynamics of the car has completely changed. First thing is the steering. The wheels, these wheels, dramatically has changed the dynamics of the car again. Not only in the drive, but the wet. And we've had this car off-road since, and it just doesn't so easy. The capabilities of the vehicle now, having the rival bar, having the great white light on it, having the fuel wheels and tyres, obviously from Falcon, it's made the car just a whole lot better. It's something I'm really proud of. Does it stand out from the rest? Yes, it completely does. It makes me look a whole lot meaner with a big smile on my face.
Harries, thank you for being an AutoCraze ambassador. Good luck with everything today. I'm sure you're going to love meeting the Royals.
Oh, it's a pleasure. You know, meeting the Royals is a really humbling thing. Being part of AutoCraze and the family at AutoCraze is just as humbling. This family here at AutoCraze, they do a lot. They go above and beyond in the call of duty to help you out. So get on board if you need tyres, wheels, suspension, and a whole lot more too. There's a key eye for detail at AutoCraze. Get on board and have a look. Cheers.
It's been another non-stop day for the Duke and Duchess of Sussex in Sydney.
Duke and Duchess, they're arriving at Bondi Beach.
How you doing, Bondi?
How was it, Harry? Paint the picture. You met the Royals this morning down on your home beach.
Yeah, we were humbled to meet the Royals down on Bondi Beach. They were so down to earth. Yeah, they're just like us. They're beach people. He watches Bondi Rescue, which is quite humbling for us. And yeah, Meghan, she's gorgeous.
Alright guys, there you have it. If you want to see the full build on Harry's vehicle, please check out our socials, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube. Be sure to like and subscribe to stay up to date and stay tuned with any new videos or builds that we're uploading. Give us a call on 1-800-099-634 should you have any questions that you wish to ask us, or visit our website www.autocraze.com.au.